Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive money from MoneyGram online. Guys, this is a quick way to get funds sent by friends or family directly into your bank account or to track transactions, and I'll make it super easy. Let's dive in. First, open your browser, Chrome, Safari, or Edge on your phone or computer and go to MoneyGram.com. Click the Login button in the top right corner. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up. Enter your email, create a strong password, and provide your details. Verify your email via the link sent to your inbox. Log in with your email and password. To receive money online, you need a linked bank account. From the dashboard, go to Account, add a bank account, enter your bank details like account and routing numbers, and verify with a small test deposit, which takes 1-2 days. Ensure your bank account is active to avoid issues. Once logged in, your dashboard shows received transactions, including the sender's name and amount. If the sender chose bank deposit, the money automatically lands in your linked account within 1 to 4 days, depending on the bank. You don't need to do anything else. To track a transfer, click the Track and Receive tab on MoneyGram.com. Enter the reference number provided by the sender, an 8-digit code, and your last name, then click Track Your Money. This shows the transaction status like processing or completed. Unique tip: save the reference number in a secure note on your phone to quickly access it for tracking or support queries. If the money doesn't arrive, confirm the reference number with the sender or check your bank account details in MoneyGram. Contact MoneyGram support via the website's help section if issues persist. Note that online receipt requires a verified account and linked bank. Otherwise, you may need to visit a MoneyGram agent for cash pickup, which we'll cover in another video. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to MoneyGram or Cash App, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send and receive money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link in the description, and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free, with 0 fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other services on fees and exchange rates, and the best part is creating an account using the link below is 100% free and only takes a few minutes.